This 2025 Entegra Coach Esteem XL 32U is a Super CRV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment. This 2025 Entegra Coach Esteem XL 32U is built on a Ford F550 4x4 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.